Good morning, class. How are you all? I'm your ma'am Kiran, and this is your English class. Okay. Today's topic is letter F. Okay. What is our topic? Letter F. What is the letter? The letter for today. What is the letter? The letter for today. Yes, today we will learn letter F. What is the sound of F? F, 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 F. Okay, what is this? F for face. Yes, F for face. Touch your face, all of you. Good. F for face. F for frog. F for frog. And what is the color of this frog? Yes, green. Very good. This is a green frog. Okay. F for fan. F for fan. F for fan. What is this? Yes, fish. F for fish. F for fish. What is this, class? Yes, this is our flag. This is a Pakistani flag. F for flag. And what is the color of this flag? Green and white. F for flag. Very good. What is this, class? Finger. Show me your finger, all of you. Yes. F for finger. F for finger. Okay. You have to learn this at your home, and you have to learn the sound of F and the vocabulary of F. Okay. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.